Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 C300 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch split 5-spoke wheels. Silk beige MB text interior with a burl walnut trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Plenty of trunk space. Premium 2 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 44,792 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.